Srangshala Holy Cross Agartala Elementary Section Katal Snamjak Tangnogno phiyokjak Ashale Panjabo Nogre Okra Angai Manjaka Hastefa Indresner Redinalu Ashala Hastefano Kumrogriwi Borom Yafarka Rungnogne Rungsernai Zukrok Chati Musunge Ashale Pandano Shongserika Hastefa Indresner Redinalu Panda Sensazakman Yagulo Rungsernai Rune Bakakte Moshamute Rusapumbu Klaisaka Pandabo Kognarana Tangi Hastefa Saklaika Rungnogo Chererog Lekapura Simina Suranga Arawo Sakbai Thane kaham tongmong samung robo serungko khane shaklaika hastefa.
Academic achievement is different and rank is different. Sometimes school first or state first, the children gets there will be advertisements and they will be fill stated. But the same boy, when he goes for competitive exams for MTech or BTech entrance examinations, there they don't get the same ranks. And in the same way, the people, students, when they achieve gold medals, the same people, when they go for UPSC exams or something, there they don't get succeed. The people who succeeds all the way to their goals is only with their continuous hard work.
Ashala Holy Cross Agartala ne Principal Father Jilson Shaka Holy Cross Agartala ne Bakakte Elementary Section ne Bagai Katal Tangnok Snamjaka Amovai Rungnog ne Surangnai Rogne Tebu Kaham Angnai Khane Shaka Father Jilson.
Our new school building, new addition to Holy Cross School Agartala. We have 30 classrooms plus other facilities including activity rooms, and basically it is a preschool meant for students from nursery to class KG2. And in the noon shift we also have class 5 and 6 students going in there. These classrooms are designed specifically for students, activities and learning both. So we are foreseeing that these little kids need not go outside. They can have the activities, plus they have activity rooms and other facilities. So there are 30 rooms altogether.
What type of expenditure have been done in here?
Expenditure, it is we still have not completed the payment, so we are not able to tell you the exact. So it should be 10 plus.
How many times taken to complete that particular new building?
It took about 3 years.
3 years.
Panda Paimoniya Gulo Katal Tangnogno Berai Vinaika Hastefa Indresner Redinallo. Bio report. Kok Korang.